So, good morning, students. We have completed lesson first, adaptation and plants. So today we are going to start a new lesson, that is lesson 6, food that build the body. So this is class 4th, class 4th A, subject GSC, date 24 or 2021. So we have to see page lesson 6, food that build the body, and page number 34. So lesson 6, foods that build the body. Food that build the body, lesson 6. So pre-reading questions. So now you open page number 34. Page number 34. So pre-reading questions. How do you feel when you do not get food? You can tell your experience. If you are not getting the food, then what happens? You feeling hungry. You feel tiredness, etc. etc. What are the things that you like to eat? What are the things that you like to eat? Next, identify the food items given in the pictures and say which is good for health. So many food items are given here. So you can identify these items and you find which is good for health. Aim. What is aim of studying this lesson? So we have to write the aim of studying this lesson. Aim. Aim to enable the students to enable the students first to know the main nutrients present in food and know their functions, to know the main nutrients, to know the main nutrients present in food, and know their functions, and know their functions. And second, to know the kind of food, to know the kind of food, to know the kind of food one should eat, one should eat to be healthy, to be to be healthy. And next, to understand. Third, to understand the harms of 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 eating too much junk food. So the aim, we are studying lesson foods that builds the body. So first we have to know how the aim of studying this lesson. So aims are given here. So first you see the enable the students to know the main nutrients present in food and know their functions. What food you are eating, what nutrient is present in all the food, and what is the function of these nutrients. Next, to know the kind of food one should eat to be healthy. Which type of the food we should eat for our the healthy life. The same next, to understand the harms of eating too much junk food. You are familiar to junk food, pizza, burger, etc., etc. These are the junk food, and are these beneficial for us? Are they harmful for us? So, how much harms? How much harm we get by eating such type of the junk food, or what are the harm of eating junk food? So we have to start the reading this lesson. So food is what we eat and drink. Food is what we eat and drink. Food gives energy to our body. Our body uses this energy for various activities like breathing, walking, studying, and playing. It helps us grow and also fight against diseases. Therefore, food is our basic need. Food is our basic need because food gives energy to our body. Our body uses this energy for various purposes. It also helps us to grow and also fight against the pathogens. So food is our basic need. Now next one is the food and nutrients. Food contains certain chemical substances called nutrients. Food contains certain chemical substances called nutrients. Nutrients are obtained from different types of food are vital to keep the body healthy and alive. The main nutrients present in the food items are, what nutrients present in our food items? One is carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. And food also contains roughage and water. When we are eating the carbohydrate provides us energy. You are familiar to wheat, rice, potato, chocolate, maize. These are the sources of the carbohydrates. These carbohydrates provide us energy, so these are called as the energy giving food. Next, fats. Fat also provide us energy. It provides us more energy in comparison to the carbohydrate. The source of the fats are oil, ghee, butter, and nuts. These are the sources of the fats. Next component is the proteins. Proteins are the bodybuilding materials. Proteins are bodybuilding foods. And source are the proteins: milk, egg, vegetables. Means the proteins, mainly the proteins we can get from the pulses that that having the pulses, that the various type pulses are there. And also in the soybean, egg, beans, meat, fish, cheese, pulses, etc. These are sources of the proteins. And vitamins and minerals, these are the protective food. These protect us mainly. These are found in the vegetables and the fruits. Food also contain roughage and fibers and water. Both are also important components of the food. Roughage maintains our the digestive system, and it helps in digestion and the throwing out the waste materials from the body. So thank you. That's for today. Next day we will start in detail.